Hi everybody, this is your girl Trina B from iBodyCandy.com, Bella Locks, and I'm here to bring you guys a watch me work video. So this is not a tutorial, so if you are looking for a tutorial on how to do goddess braids, aka Bella braids, because over here at Bella Locks we do everything the Bella way. So if you came to see an actual video on how to do them, then you clicked on the wrong video. Okay, baby girl, you need to go ahead and click off and find yourself a different video, because this here is a watch me work. So I had started the client already and I was pretty much at the top, and I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna just do a little video and show people how I actually achieved the look. So there are some neat little tips and tricks in this video. If you feel like watching it, then you will find some neat tips and tricks. Basically here I'm just showing you guys how to separate the hair. Now comment down below and let me know if you would like for me to actually film a tutorial, because I mean, if that's what y'all want to say, then I like to get the people what they want. Okay, so I can do that. So I'm not going to talk through this entire video because I have been told in my other videos that you talk too much. So you know what? I'm just going to go silent on y'all. Like what? Who? Just like that. I'm going to start going silent. So right there you just saw me actually hook the synthetic hair. And I'm also using, quick note, I'm using Bella Locks hair. So we do sell mermaid lock kits, ultra mermaid lock kits, and we do sell our hair, which is Japanese silk. Okay, so there is no acid, there's no irritation to the scalp. Our synthetic hair lasts forever. Okay, so we are using our own synthetic hair. So please do not ask me, what kind of hair are you using? I'm using Bella Locks hair, and you can find this at mybellalocks.net. That is mybellalocks.net. Okay guys, so just sit back and watch, and just watch, you know, like I said, some neat tips and tricks, like how I get the hair, the loose hairs, and how I use a comb to hold the loose hairs up. Sometimes I use a duckbill clip. You're going to see me do all of that. Yes, I just tongue popped and wet. Keep watching.
Boxes. boxes.
Y'all like how I threw my own commercial up in there? Y'all saw it? Y'all seen it? I had to though. I had to.
Boxes.
Okay guys, so again, this is the end of the video. This was not a tutorial, it was a watch me work. I hope you learned something, you enjoyed the video. Unfortunately, my camera died, so this video will be ending before I was able to get the clips of the finished product. So what I did was just insert some photos and videos of another client that I did. So thank you guys for joining me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I do thank you guys for your time. And yeah, make sure you follow Bella Locks. Okay, we're on Instagram. And enjoy. Have a great day. Bye, beauties.